It all started over 50 years ago with a simple question. What if a computer could make pictures? How could we use them? And what would they look like generations from now?
Hello, folks. I'm Mr. Computer Image.
Computer-generated graphics have come a long way from their simple beginnings. Not too long ago, pixels created static images. Now, things are changing rapidly, and we're about to witness an entirely new perspective. This journey is happening because smart ideas and clever thinking are driving it forward, and NVIDIA is a big part of this change. Let me provide you with an example of NVIDIA's RTX. It represents the pinnacle of AI technology and employs a technique called ray tracing. This makes games and creative stuff even cooler. NVIDIA showed off something called Racer RTX, which is like a mix of engineering and creativity. This demo shows how strong NVIDIA's Omniverse and the super advanced RTX 4090 GPU are. Now, think of it this way. The scenes in this demo look so real, like they're coming alive in ways we couldn't even think of before.
Racer RTX, 250 million polygons, 100 times more geometry, 10 rays per pixel, about 10 bounces per ray, and using DLSS, infer like 7 out of 8 pixels, computing only 1 out of 8, and as a result, we're able to render this at 4K, scale it up to 4K 30 Hertz. Hit it.
NVIDIA's H100 GPUs have significantly enhanced cloud computing for IT companies, enabling them to meet the growing demand for new AI concepts. Big companies like Meta, OpenAI, and Stability AI use H100 to make AI better. It's not just about having a strong computer, it's about using it to make AI even better, which is something we've been waiting for. So, these H100 GPUs are like engines that drive AI progress. They're changing how we think about technology. Let me give you a more simple explanation of generative AI. It's a technology that makes computer programs more real by helping them create stuff like words and pictures. This technology is ushering us into an era of intelligent applications capable of prediction, creation, and transformation.
And generative AI is the new killer app. These three insights has gotten everybody just insanely excited. And because for the very first time, after 15 years or so, a new computing platform has emerged. Like the PC, like the internet, like mobile cloud computing, a new computing platform has emerged. And this new computing platform is going to enable all kinds of new applications.
There's an exciting journey that's going to change how we see computers. NVIDIA has made something amazing called the GH200 Grace Hopper Superchip platform. This innovation will revolutionize how we harness generative AI and super fast computing. It's not like any regular AI chip, it's a big change in how fast it works and how much it can remember. It's made to handle even really hard generative AI tasks without any problem. This amazing advance in 3D graphics is going to shake up what we thought was even possible. It's like where technology and new ideas meet. They've leveraged a technology known as the Ada GPU architecture, which is significantly enhancing performance. Consider this. They have combined two elements to optimize memory and speed. It's 3.5 times more memory and 3 times faster than before. There are 144 special processors working to do 8 petaflops of AI performance, like super quick thinking. And they've got this new memory technology called HBM3E, which is really fast and has 282 gigabytes, like a huge memory space, making things work 50% faster than before. It can move information really quickly, with the speed of 10 terabytes per second. NVIDIA's new GH200 Grasshopper Superchip is all about working together and being connected, not just being powerful on its own. These superchips can interconnect using NVIDIA technology, forming a network of intelligent AI models. It's like a perfect team working together, with a big memory of 1.2 terabytes.
We're going to give this processor a boost with the world's fastest memory called HBM3E.
There's a new time of exciting ideas coming because of big changes in cars, called the automotive revolution. The way we look at cars is being redefined by new technology. Fast computers, smart AI, and something called the industrial metaverse are making a big digital change happen. It's the NVIDIA Omniverse platform that's behind this massive innovation. Think about making a car, from the first idea to the final product, like creating a piece of art in a computer. The Omniverse platform is founded on Universal Scene Description, USD, optimizing functionality. USD is connected to the NVIDIA Omniverse, changing how people work with 3D objects and computer programs. USD and NVIDIA Omniverse work together to make lots of new things possible. This innovation strives to generate highly precise concepts for automobiles. Omniverse helps designers go into a special world where each part of the car becomes something amazing. They can see how everything looks on the outside and inside of the car. Designers can make cars that look so real, even better than they imagined. They can use any 3D software they want to make lifelike pictures of their cars.
WPP is building the next generation of car configurators for automotive giant BYD's Denza luxury brand, powered by Omniverse Cloud and Generative AI. OpenUSD and Omniverse Cloud allows Denza to connect high-fidelity data from industry-leading CAD tools to create a physically accurate, real-time digital twin of its N7. WPP artists can work seamlessly on this model in the same Omniverse Cloud environment with their preferred tools from Autodesk, Adobe, and SideFX to deliver the next era of automotive digitalization and immersive experiences. Today's configurators require hundreds of thousands of images to be pre-rendered to represent all possible options and variants. OpenUSD makes it possible for WPP to create a super digital twin of the car that includes all possible variants in one single asset, deployed as a fully interactive 3D configurator on Omniverse Cloud GDN, a network that can stream high-fidelity, real-time 3D experiences to devices in over 100 regions, or used to generate thousands of individual pieces of content that comprise a global marketing campaign. The USD model is placed in a 3D environment that can either be scanned from the real world using LiDAR and virtual production, or created in seconds with generative AI tools from organizations such as Adobe and Shutterstock. This innovative WPP solution for BYD brings generative AI and cloud-rendered real-time 3D together for the first time.
The significance of this impact is substantial, as one might anticipate. Omniverse's Drive Sim 9 is changing how people design things that users experience. Any problems are spotted quickly, and fixes are made right away. This means fewer physical prototypes are needed, so the result is a better way of making things that are more accurate, save money, which makes new ideas come faster. The automotive industry is undergoing significant transformation. The NVIDIA Omniverse platform and AI are making things change, bringing in new ways of being creative and using technology. Now, let's delve into the enhancements of the Omniverse kit. They're made to be better and make even hard tasks easy. People who create computer programs can change things more simply than before. All of this is thanks to the Omniverse Kit extension registry, where there are over 600 things that make Omniverse better. When you're making your own programs, you can easily turn different parts on and off to make them work the way you want.
It packs up to 4 NVIDIA RTX 6000s, the most powerful GPUs ever created, and it run real-time ray tracing for Omniverse, as well as train, fine-tune, and inference large language models for generative AI. Incredibly fast, incredibly powerful, and it produces answers in seconds, not minutes in some of the services that are out there. Okay? And so another incredible machine are the servers. And these servers, as you know, getting GPUs in the cloud these days is no easy feat. And now you can buy it. Okay? You could have your company buy it for you and put it in the data center. And there's a whole bunch of these servers.
But that's just the beginning. Innovation is the important part. There's a structure ready for developers, whether they're experts or new to this. It comes with templates and programs that make things easier. These templates are like starting points that help your project without needing a lot of complicated coding. Visual effects and being efficient go together, making things better because of NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture process. The Omniverse RTX renderer uses DLSS 3 technology, which is like a special recipe for making things look super real. It's so real that you might not be able to tell where the fake part starts and the real part ends. Moreover, an AI denoiser is particularly noteworthy. It generates real-time 4K images. This helps show big scenes in industries and lets you see every detail. Now, let's talk about something important: getting deeply involved in the space around you. This part is about tools for developers to make things in extended reality, XR, like when you wear special goggles. These tools help add space stuff into apps that use Omniverse. You can easily work on projects, go into virtual worlds, and make the 3D experience even better. The upgrades to the Omniverse kit primarily focus on expanding your options and approaches. You might notice computers are going through a big change where new ideas are becoming more important. Look at these great examples: Adobe Firefly, Move.ai, Viscom, and Wonder Dynamics. These are just a few of the leaders who are bringing in a new era of fast computing, and their importance is really big. Adobe Firefly is changing how people who make things interact with digital designs. On the other hand, Move.ai is making remarkable progress with the aid of AI. This makes things work better and helps solve problems. Viscom is changing how people share their ideas visually, making it clearer. And then there's Wonder Dynamics, which shows how strong a computer is in changing things that move every time it's used. These smart people are making changes and using fast computing to make technology better and help us enjoy things even more.
Here's some examples of some amazing things. This is the Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly does outpainting. Imagine the space around the image that we never captured. Move AI does mocap from just video. This is on the upper right. You decide which one's real. I'm going with the left. Viscom does sketch to image guided by language prompt. This one's really cool. There are a lot of people who know how to sketch, and from the sketch and some guidance from your language, you could generate something photorealistic and rendered. The future of computer graphics is clearly going to be revolutionized. And this is really cool. Wonder Dynamics, not only is the name of the company cool.
NVIDIA has ushered in a new era of advancements in generative AI and processors with their H100 and GH200 CPUs. From the power of generative AI and the processor's capabilities to the evolution of computer-generated graphics, what new things can NVIDIA's technology help us discover and change in our world? Watch these videos as well. Hit that subscribe button, like, and drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts.